Nestled high in the mountains of southern Spain lies one of the most breathtaking towns in all of Andalusia, Ronda, in the province of Malaga. Perched dramatically on a deep gorge, this ancient town seems carved from the rock itself. Ronda is not just a destination, it's a journey through time. Ronda's old town, known as La Ciudad, is a maze of narrow cobbled streets, whitewashed buildings, and hidden plazas. As you walk its ancient paths, you can feel the layers of history, from the Romans, to the Moors, to the Christian Reconquista. Every corner tells a story. The most iconic site of Ronda is the Puente Nuevo, or New Bridge, which spans the dizzying depths of the El Tajo gorge. Built in the 18th century, it connects the old Moorish quarter with the newer part of town. Towering nearly 100 meters above the canyon floor, it's one of Spain's most photographed landmarks, and for good reason. This is also the birthplace of modern bullfighting. The Plaza de Toros de Ronda, one of the oldest bullrings in Spain, reflects a tradition deeply woven into the local culture. Today, it stands more as a monument to heritage than spectacle, yet, Ronda is more than history, it's alive with the rhythms of daily life. From lively tapas bars to quiet cafes, overlooking the cliffs, the town invites you to slow down and savor every moment. Surrounded by natural beauty, Ronda offers stunning views of the Serrania de Ronda Mountains and the rolling Andalusian countryside. Hiking trails, vineyards, and olive groves lie just minutes from the town center, making it a perfect escape for nature lovers. As the sun sets over Ronda, the golden light paints the cliffs and rooftops in warm hues. There's a silence here, a sense of stillness that echoes the centuries. Ronda is not just a place to visit, it's a place to feel, to remember, and to return to. This is Ronda, timeless, unforgettable, and suspended between earth and sky. If you like this video, don't forget like, share and subscribe. Thank you.